Hey guys, Raw Customs Designs here. Got to work on this beauty today. 1967 Cheverly. I did a custom auto sounds deck so it fits in the factory location without any cutting. It's got an auxiliary cord and an FM, and then I put a amp sub in and carefully ran everything, make sure it's all loomed up. And just a small dual amp sub combo. Nothing special, just to give it some power. Make sure we got a little noise in there. And then the custom auto sound stereo fits right in the same factory location, so you don't have to cut anything.
Salty.
Up front, kick panels molded for this car. I didn't put those in. I did not get those. They were already in here. They were not hooked up, but they were in here. But sounds pretty good. Thanks for looking, guys. Check me out on Raw Customs Designs, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also Raw96SS on Instagram.